If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Betterment, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Betterment account by entering your username and password on the Betterment website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transfers will be clearly marked, making it easier to identify. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transfer, including the amount and the date it was initiated. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer within the details page. Click on the Cancel Transfer button and confirm your decision when prompted to complete the cancellation process. Once you have followed these steps, your pending transfer will be successfully cancelled. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Betterment's customer support for help.